Here to present our exciting project showcasing our creativity and teamwork. In our school, we learn robotics, and in robotics, we dive into the world of web designing, AI, CAD, and Python. Today, we are going to present a small part of our Python learning. Let me tell you what Python is. Python is a high-level interpreted programming language that was created by Anderson in 1991. Its name is not inspired by the snake, as some might think, but by the comedy series Monty Python's Flying Circus. Python is a flexible language used for web development, automation, robotics, and cybersecurity. We have made many Python projects. Our first project is a welcome ad of Moonstar Carnival. We are using this much of coding and importing Pygame as a library to get the output like this. We have also made some games by using Python. Our first game is Pac-Man, in which the yellow dot is our main player, and we have to survive from the red boxes and collect as many points as possible. Our second game is a ping pong ball game. This is not all that we can do from Python. We can do much more by using Python.